Hello guys, I've been not posting that much. It's because I wanted to, just watch videos and like play. So today I'm now making another video, and am I gonna claim something? Okay, it just started. Wow. Okay. My goodness gracious. And this little like hat thing to eat. And I'm a VIP, so I can get that. Good. And I just got some cash. Okay. What is that? Minions. I'll give that 4-star. Guys, if you can see our wallpaper, that's me and my Ate Aya. That was me when it was my birthday, of my 6th birthday, and that was her when she was still 8 years old. And me, I just look so small there, and with no bangs. Oh my god. Where is Ugly VIP? Ugly J. Oh yeah, hit that. Hit that pose.
Everything in one single word. You know?
You're like
liberty, robotics, fried chicken.
Bro, get this ugly girl out of here.
This song. Oh my god, that you oh my god, is this real? Oh, we're in a session tonight. Gang, gang. Oh, we're going out tonight. Gang, gang. Oh my god, this song is so lit.
Congratulations.
Baby, like,
Gang.
gang, 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 gang.
Get your body out of here, but I don't want you sticking to. I don't want your ugly skin sticking beside me. Oh my gosh, the song is gone, bro. Snowstorm. Okay. Did they just add this new thing, bro? Like, goodness gracious. Get the sticker out of here. So, I think this cute. Cutesy pie. Why did it turn into blue? Oh, yes. It's still pink, bro. I'm making the shoe hack. So, and then I like get the magic girl shoes. Guys, I already own the, don't worry guys, I already own the magic girl shoes. See, I already own it, guys. And I just lost all my money because of that. I just claimed it 5 years ago. Where are you, bro? Where the cutie pie shoes? Oh yes, slay. Now this is the shoes that is perfect. So guys, should I wear for my outfits? No. Oh my lord, that is beautiful. No thanks, ma'am. My goodness, which should I wear? Then I'll wear this. Oh yes, girly, it's pink. Should I wear some of this? Maybe I'll be wearing this. A scarf, so if it's cold outside. My goodness gracious, I'm gonna shoplift. I'm just gonna make it like, okay, that's matte. Okay, there. Okay. My goodness gracious, I'm gonna shoplift. So, gonna go eat na. So guys, the next thing I'm gonna go put on is my dark skin color because I don't even have a skin. And this is like your stretcher ear. I found it from a YouTuber called Ash. By the way, subscribe to Ash because she's literally the best YouTuber that I ever found. Okay, good. Sorry that I sounded like that, guys, because I was eating. I have to hurry up. I'm getting your Chase hair. If you know the YouTuber Ash, subscribe to her. She's the best YouTuber ever. Okay? But her videos are so cool.
Huwag na muna magsalita.
Bruh.
Kain eh.
Okay. You have to hit a pose.
Ah.
I'm gonna rate that at 10. I mean 2.
Sino ba kausap mo?
Okay. Maybe 4
Mayroong
stars.
kwenta.
What is even that? That ain't a snowstorm. Dubra. What is even that? Five star. Oh yeah. Hit that post, girl. Hands off, Gabriella. Thanks. Who's a rapid noob? Two stars. That's literally robot. When there's a snowstorm and the robot is outside, he will die because robots are not allowed in cold. Hands off, Gabriella.
Ah.
Oh yeah. Yes, girl. Slay it.
Mm.
Oh. And I'm Loki going to a party. I'm gonna do my IRL self when I go to some birthday parties or like my friend. So at some birthday parties, I wear my favorite Crocs. I mean slippers. I mean shoes. You don't get okay. So this is like it, but in the back there's like some cheesy. And then so it's color pink, and then the stripes are color purple and pink. Bro. And then I'll wear like a t-shirt and then a skirt. Why does it have tongues, bruh? My goodness gracious, ika ang chocolate. Sometimes at a birthday party, I wear jeans. Like, what in the world is this? And then I wear my what? Oh, never mind. I wear a bracelet. Let me color it the same bracelet.
Ah. Ano ka tubig? Huwag mo inuwayan. New honor.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Guys, don't mind why I sounded like that. Because there was too much food in my mouth. Ah,
Ano?
it's what?
Kaunti lang yan, oh.
Not that.
Toasted din yan. Crunchy din yan.
What?
Humili ka pa eh. Pinupang ko nga para wala ka reklamo. Para crunchy, all crunchy. Masubo na lang ka.
Okay. Wait lang.
Bilisan mo tayo, naglalaba ako. Oh, wait lang. Pero bukas eh, wala akong masyadong gagawin.
Okay. What is that?
Bukas tupi, linis,
Alam ko.
tapos ano ng palengke.
Alam ko, akala ko sabi mo tomorrow. I mean bukas.
Magpapalengke kami ni Mama.
Pwede ka din bumili ng, ano ba yun? Grapes?
Sabi mo yun kay Mama.
Or kaya, bili ka din ng, galunggong.
Oo. Longgong.
Ano?
Longgong.
Or buy up bacons.
Bacons. Walang bacons done.
Chicken
Only-
skin!
Only in...
Tagaytay.
O dali, meron akong chicken skin dyan. Pag wala akong ulam, yun ang ulam. Ay! Ay, nasubo na.
Wait.
Last na.
Okay.
Kapangin mo na ito gusto mo.
Ako lang.
Ha? Ayan na.
Jealous of my mansion? Yeah, the view is
Sige na yun ng water.
Get that girl's butt out of here. Drama queen.
Ayan na, inom kayo ng water. Ito ko na sa ano.
Get your butt out of here. You ugly, bro. Okay, goodness gracious. Guys, I'm gonna reveal my age and my Ate Aya's age. So, my Ate Aya's 9 years old and me 6 years old. And that's why I have a kid voice. And in my face reveal, you may see how short am I. Because I'm just 6 years old and my Ate Aya's 9 years old. And in my face reveal, if you watch that, guys, you might see how short am I. Oh my god. Ay. My goodness gracious, ikaw ang nag-shoplift. My goodness gracious, ikaw ang nag-shoplift.
Ginanap ko pa na, dali.
Okay. Bakit magpapalitats pa si mama ng kilay?
Siyempre, ano na yung tigay niya eh.
Nabubura na.
Nabubura na.
Eh.
Hanggang yung first class. Oo. Oo.
Ay. Diba sabi mo, yung after kalbo, sabi mo, carbonara!
Yan, na.
Sabi mo, after may kalbo, si mama ng eyebrow, sabi mo, carbonara!
Yes, carbonara.
Guys, don't mind why I was speaking a different language. And if you're from America or a different world, and if you're from America or US, or naman USA is America, or you're from anywhere, or if you're from Philippines, and if you are from Philippines, you understand what I was saying in that part. And as you can see, this is a pig. This ugly girl. Oh my goodness gracious! They're asking each other. Who? Not elite boots. So guys, we're gonna be finding hacks. And my goodness gracious! Don't mind this. I'll swipe that away. Everything's naughty. Hardy. The similar talkies are much. Secret.
Anak ko, lapit na.
My goodness gracious. I don't know how to spell. 2026. 2026. April 25. My goodness gracious, finally.
Bedo ka na, bedo ka na.
Okay na. Okay, bedsheet pala namin ito. And what does she mean at home? She's still going home at night time. Let me just use my Google Voice. Okay, finally. Bye. Okay, fine. Ouch. Brother. My goodness gracious. Okay, these are the old drawings that my Lola brings. Why naman? Rest in peace, bro.
But baby, there you go again, making me love you. But baby, there you go again, making me love you. Yeah, I stopped you.
AKA, bruh. AKA Don't Mind This. And because of the name, you might know who is this. As you can see, it's named Brother, and this is my bro. And by the way, we also play Roblox together, and this is me and him playing Sailor Peace in Roblox. And I keep dying because he's too powerful. And this is me getting stuck underneath a bench in Sailor Peace. And as you can see, he said this to me. I'm weak, bruh. My goodness gracious. Ikaw ang nag-shoplift. Ano ito, bruh? Jill's birthday is in 6 days. Oh, her birthday is in 6 dang days. Her birthday is at 6 dang days. Oh, yeah. Yeah, birthday is 6 days. Bruh. Maybe try the computer. Happy birthday, bruh. This is the day. This is the day when it was my birthday, September 11.
Ano yan ba? Ito.
What is it, bro? Okay. Happy birthday. Where's the cake emoji? Avi, very trying to cut and legit. I'm legit. That was goddamn same as me. Oh my goodness gracious. So guys, do you want to see the drawing that I made of my nanay? Please don't make fun of the drawing that I made. This is the drawing that I made. That's the drawing that I made of her. And guys, if you comment in this dang video, I'm gonna draw your profile pictures. By the way, I'll draw your profile pictures, guys. So make sure it will be released later. I'm gonna be checking you guys in my comment sections of my what's that again? God goodness. My shorts or this video. So bye all. Have a great day, guys.